In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your SharePoint site dark mode themed. Microsoft SharePoint in 2026 tutorial. Dark mode can reduce eye strain, make content pop, and help your site feel modern and consistent with the rest of your workspace. We'll keep this simple and stick to the built-in dark themes that come with SharePoint. You don't need any special tools, but you do need permission to change the site's appearance, typically as a site owner or someone with design rights. Start by opening SharePoint in your web browser and signing in with your work or school account. You'll land on your SharePoint start page or your organization's SharePoint home, depending on how your environment is set up. Now, open the specific site you want to theme in dark mode. This change is applied per site, so make sure you're on the correct one, like your team site, communication site, or project hub. Once the site loads, look to the upper right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the settings menu for the site. Click it to open your site's settings panel. In the panel, choose Change the Look. This is where SharePoint groups all the visual settings such as themes, header options, and navigation styles. For dark mode, we're going straight to theme. Click theme to view the available options. You'll see a set of default themes, including several dark choices provided by Microsoft. Select one of the default dark options. As soon as you pick it, SharePoint shows a live preview on your site, so you can judge readability before committing. Take a quick look at your header, navigation, and a couple of pages or web parts if they're visible in the preview. Check that text has good contrast, links are still easy to see, and your logo or images don't disappear against the darker background. Remember, built-in dark themes are designed to meet accessibility guidelines, but it's always smart to verify with your real content. When you're happy with the look, click Save. SharePoint applies the theme to the site, and the change is immediate for you and other visitors. If a page looks unchanged, give it a refresh. Some browsers cache styles briefly. This update affects only the site you're on, not your entire organization. If you don't see the theme option, your account may not have design permissions, or your organization may have limited theme changes. That's it. Your SharePoint site now has a polished dock mode experience with just a few clicks.